kumbaga hindi striking colors, this one is for you. But you want uniqueness, go for this one. The code for this one, 899 as well. Code is Sophia Plain Yellow. Sophia Plain Powder. Uy, nice ang powder. Para siyang nag-grayish powder, but I don't use filter po. Kung ano po nakita nyo dyan sa TV, sa cellphone nyo, or sa live per se, yan na po yan. I have it in black, sisters. My small, medium, large XL, 2XL, 3XL. Look at the choco.
Mama Leonor, yung XL and 2XL, it's, 29,
Okay, sa XL po is 3132, sa 2XL, 3334, ma'am. We have the yellow. Uy, pony, I'll work permit, bebe mo na, yellow na. Parang mustard yellow. Yes, you see. Then we have the cream. Meron tayong white, sisters. There you go. And, yun na. Kami, Kenny, siya may ha? 246. 6 colors lang to. Diba? Last week ng September to, sisi. Alright, deposit done na. Ang sweet mo, Minfa. Thank you very much po. So, pwede ka na mag-mine. Mine all you can ka na. Mine all you can. Sana all. Thank you, ma'am. Welcome to Bangkok's Best. There you go. Again, the code for this one is Sophia Plain. Okay, Sophia Plain. So, there you go. Harmless naman yan, Sisi. Kasi may shorts naman kayo dyan. So, binigyan lang kayo ng konting sexiness here. May slit na pa-sweet. Code for this one, Sophia Plain. Parang skirt lang talaga, no? Hindi, mga skirt yan. Tinimi skirt may kami skirt siya. Ani pen skirt siya may ha? Diba min skirt siya.
อันนี้เหรอมีตามนี้เลยอันนี้ถ้าสเกิร์ตก็อันนี้
อันนี้
เท่านั้น
อันนี้
แล้ว
เลย
ก็สเกิร์ตที่ปิดก็มีอันนั้นก็สเกิร์ต
ใช่ โอเค So,เอาสเกิร์ตทั้งหมดแล้วมีใช่ไหมคะ โอเคค่ะ meron din daw. Okay, Sisi, papalabas ko lang. There you go. The code for this one again, last call would be Sophia Plain Yellow. We have small up to 3XL. Meron tayong cream, meron tayong white, and meron tayong gray, meron tayong choco. Thank you very much. Ngayon, ang ilalabas naman natin, sisters, is pants na straight cut. Kasi yung nauna natin kanina, Sisi, si Luca, is para siyang tapered style, no? Baston. There you go. 36 ang length. Now, the next one would be Cooper. Ano pa Cooper siya may ha? Aniya ka? Okay.
อัมบลาวนี่
Okay ka. Ani brown siya may ha? Okay. Okay, let's have... si Cooper, ganda. Ang ganda, babe. Ang ganda si Sia. Suya ka, babe. Sisi, may pin...
Black your foot.
Alam mo na ang size ni mo. There. So, naman natin. Ito pang opisina na natin to. Saan tayo? Meeting tayo nito. Ulala. Ooh. Sisters, eto naman. If you like naman ng full length straight cut. Hindi to flared, Sisi. Straight cut. Sister, which is quite different from Luca. So, si Luca ganyan, no? Ito naman, si Cooper. C-O-O-P-E-R is in Cooper. Sisters is straight cut. Now, let me show you po kung gaano siya muna kahaba. Para perfect. Alright, si Cooper po ay 39. 39 ang length ni Cooper. So, 3 inches difference from Luca. Again, we have small, medium, large XL, 2XL, 3XL, and the code for this one is Cooper. Cooper Brown. Ganda, no? Cooper Brown. Susunod kasi, sister, ang blouse ko, ha? Kasi set to. Sisi, para mapakita ko sa inyo. Ani, LDY na, ha? Pension size set. Okay. So, this one, colors available kay Cooper, Sisi, we have Cooper Pink. Closer look muna. So, you have your belt loop there. Kaya bagay yung nabili nyo sa akin na Hermes belt. There. Look at that. Isn't it nice? Straight cut. 39 po ang length. Double hook and eye. See? Code for this one is Cooper Pink. Cooper Pink. We have Cooper Powder. Cooper Yellow. Uy, nice to, oh. Cooper Yellow. Cooper Powder. Cooper Pink for the one that I'm wearing. For Cooper Pink ito po. Sorry po. And then, ang suot ko po ay brown. Siyempre, Cooper Brown. Cooper Navy. Cooper Cream. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng pastel colors. So, ang social. Sisi, ang ganda ng mga pastel colors. I love pastel colors. Parang nakakayaman siya ng bongga. May navy, may cream. Lang. Ganda din ng green. 980 pesos. 980 pesos. The code is Cooper. Cooper. Then, we have, of course, ang hindi mawawala, white and black. There you have it. 36 ang length. Straight cut. Lady Boss Dini pala. So, saan kayo? Team pabitin? Pabitin like this one, yung ganitong style. Or straight cut. Again, the length for the Luca is 36, while for this one, sa suot ko, 39. Code for this one, again, is Cooper. Yung blouse mo, how much? Yung blouse ko, ma'am, set ito. Isusuot ko next, no? Ganda, oh. Super nice. Ang ganda sa likod. Sisi. Oh, medyo may pwet ako dito, ah. There you have it. Cooper Brown. Small, medium, large. XL.